Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to make an LED flip-flop using relay. We are not using any transistors or any other semiconductors other than LED for this flip-flop. You can hear the tick-tick sound of the relay in the background, right? Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. This is the complete circuit diagram of LED flip-flop using relay. The explanation of how this is working is done after assembling the circuit. This is a 12 volt 5 pin relay and we are using all pins of relay here. You need to know about all pins. This is common pin and this is coil connection and this is normally closed and this is normally open. The coil connection has no polarity, so you can give it to anywhere. For any single contact relay, the connection details will be same. Let us assemble this one. We have completed the assembling part. You can see the circuit is so simple. The relay's common pin is the positive line, which is brown wire, and the capacitor's negative terminal is the negative line of the input power supply. Let's power it on. You can hear the tick tick sound. Please listen carefully. The working principle is so simple. When you power the circuit, the current flow is showing in green line. Through left side green line, the capacitor will start charging and right side green line will light up the LED. Once the capacitor reaches the 12 volt, then the relay becomes on. Relay as well as top LED will lose the positive line because the positive line is connected through the common pin. Once the relay is on, the bottom LED will light up. Then the capacitor will discharge and keep the relay on, and also top LED continues the lighting. Then the capacitor charge reduces and relay becomes off, and now starts charging the capacitor again. This cycle continues to form an LED flip-flop. Now we will change the 220 ohm with 100 ohm, and let's watch what will happen to the output. If you like our video, please click like button. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. You can see. Now you can see the difference, what is happening. If I am giving 220 ohm, 100 ohm. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.